Yeah, no, we have not received any email actually. So we
Today.
just, yeah, we just
But
got it
all the
from.
children have joined. Okay, sir, I'll just check. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll just check. Hands.
Ma'am, which page number, ma'am?
Now wait, John, I haven't started the class. Kanira, some children did not get to mail. This girl.
Yeah.
It's gone.
9:31.
Okay. Kanira's father. 9:31, we sent the link, sir. Okay. I just checked it. Okay, children, we'll start our class now. Let us see. Don't take anything now. We'll just go through the shapes now from the screen. Afterwards, I'll tell you what you have to do. Okay. Now I'll just tell you. Please be ready. Don't write anything. Nothing to write anywhere. Now I think Prajan is sitting and completing the work. Now please wait. Let's see what is there. Yeah. Now you don't worry about all this. We'll just see this first. Okay. Just one explanation I want to give you. Plane shapes. That is, a square has 4 sides, 4 vertices, and all the 4 sides are equal. Please look at the screen. What I want you to do is, you have to, not now, you have to take out your home study afterwards, not now. Then if I have time, I'll make you draw. You have to draw a square and all the 4 sides should be equal. That means when you, it's better to draw in your maths square notebook, because you can take 3 columns, all three columns means it will be correct. And for the rectangle, you have to take 4 columns, horizontal line, sleeping line, and vertical you can take 2. Then it looks like a rectangle. I'll tell you later. Triangle, all the 3 sides will be equal. And the rectangle, opposite sides. See the sides? The first one. Don't do anything, children. Don't take your textbook. I just want to explain to you, because we may ask you to draw the figures and name it. Okay, draw a triangle and write about it, not name it. And we'll show the picture and we'll ask you to name it. Okay, now see here, opposite sides. Opposite, who's talking over there? Opposite sides. Now 1 minute. Circle. A circle has 1 curved side and no vertices. See the circle, 1 side. An oval is an elongated circle. It has 1 curved side and no vertices. Now what I want you to do is, see your children, you can take your home study later and you can practice drawing square, rectangle, triangle, circle, oval. Okay, I will tell you somebody's, 1 minute, some disturbance over there. Whose cameras, whose mic is on, children? Don't turn on your mic. Just look at the screen, nothing else. Now, that is over. Now, please take this picture. Please take this page. All of you take this page today and write today's date, 23-10. Please keep quiet, children. I will tell you the page. Some children are always talking. I'll remove you. Then all will ask 1 or 2. Page number. Please take 103. 102 we just explained. Please take 103. 103. 103. 103. In your textbook, exercise 3. Now you have to write what is it. I'll teach you. I'm not going to ask you because you're new to this chapter. This is a, see there, 4-sided figure. Opposite sides are equal. This is a Now 1 minute. I can ask you. Oral marks I can give you for this. Now, just Adonia, please tell me. Not Adonia, sorry. Sorry, not Adonia. I want Anandit. I'm starting with Anandit. Anandit, what figure is this? This is a dash. This is a, I think they are not present. Archand, Anandit, are you there?
Yes,
Please tell me, what is this figure? This is a dash.
this is a triangle.
My goodness, see the first one. First one is straight, ma, that red one.
Okay, ma'am.
Not green one down, that is number 2.
This is a rectangle.
Yeah, it's a rectangle straight. Okay, I know that. I know that you're confused. Now, how many sides? It has dash sides.
It has a 4 sides.
It has it has 4 sides. Others can write. How many vertices? How many corners? Count the corners.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. And which sides are equal in length? Opposite sides, because you don't know. It's 2. Actually, children, opposites. Okay. 1 minute. Hands. 1 minute, children. Write off opposites. Actually, I wrote that. Come here. Put opposites. The other one I corrected. 2 sides the opposites. Where is it corrected?
ഈ ക്ലാസ്
Opposites.
എടുക്കുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ്
It's opposite sides.
ഓരോ കോൺസെപ്റ്റ്സ് കാണിച്ചു കൊടുക്കുന്നത് ഞാൻ എന്താണ്
ഇത് 2. Opposite sides. OPPOSITES. Opposite. Opposite. Opposite sides are equal in length. Please correct it, children. It's not 2. It's opposite sides are. One side. One. Please write the first one.
Circle,
Opposite
ma'am.
side. Curves outside.
സൈഡ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സ്ട്രേറ്റ് ലൈൻ ആണ്
Let it be. Oval.
Ma'am, I can't see the present.
You no need to see now. I told you not to make noise. Okay, I told you not to make noise. Other side I made correction. Now see there, rectangle, 4 sides, 4 vertices, opposite sides are equal in length. Opposite sides are equal in length. Now, second one, actually, it's not necessary for you to learn it by heart. You must know the figures. You're too small to understand all that. You must know the figure. Now, second one, Archand and Anandit finished. Next one, Ashwant, can you tell me what figure is this?
Ma'am,
Second one, green. What is it? Tell me soon. It's a triangle and it has 3 vertices and it has 3 sides. You must tell fast. Okay. Next one. Three sides. It has 3 sides. And just look at the circle, children. This is a circle. Please write the correct spelling. And there is no corner for it. 0 vertices. And side, you mean that curved surface. That full thing. Okay, that turn. You just see the circle. One side. That is the curved side, children. Curved side. This is a circle. Please write fast. It's not necessary for you to learn it by heart. Now, the next one, this is a square. square, square. It has dash sides. Same way, 4 sides. When you do it in classwork note, ma'am will give you. It has 4 corners, exactly like rectangle. All 4 sides are equal. All sides. That means all 4 sides are equal. Okay, children, now. This is it. You just must go back and see. Yes. It has 4 sides. It's not necessary to learn all these properties. Only you must know the... Now, children. Now, this one you can do it at home as a homework. Don't do it now. Because I have to check all the answers. Fun time, please write HW, children. Please. Children, please write HW for that. If you have time, we will do it now. By the time we will answer the pages 66 and 67. Don't do it now. Now, ma'am will be doing, you don't do it now. We'll go to the next one. After this, please do it at home because coloring will take time. Okay, now ma'am will color it, you can see. I will just fast. Yeah. Please take page number 66. The other one is coloring. You have to do it at home. And in your home study, not in your classwork note. Home study, learn to draw rectangle, square, triangle, circle, oval. In your classwork note. In your classwork note. Sorry. In your home study, children. Classwork means you won't know. Ma'am will draw the squares and ma'am will teach you how to draw in classwork note. So don't do it in your classwork note. 1 minute, let me see. Children, 1 minute, Kanira. Where should you draw the circle, triangle, rectangle, oval, all that? In your which book?
Home study, ma'am.
Please, Kushagra, listen carefully. In your home study, because if you do it in classwork note, it won't be correct. Ma'am will draw the squares and ma'am will teach you how to draw in classwork note later. Now, all these things, extra things you have to draw in your home study. Home study. That's in your leisure time, you can do it. Now, I'm going to make you answer and I'm going to, already I told you to do these pages. I will tell the answer. I will write the answers. I'll ask you one by one. Others can put a tick mark. So that special class time, I will give you marks. All this Kushagra, please be attentive in class. Take page number 66. What happened to others? All the cameras off, you'll get 3 marks less. Okay, let it be. All the cameras I can see. Now, one by one, I'm going to ask you. The first one. I'm starting from Ashwant. Please tell me the first one. Fill in the blanks with the question, Ashwant. Sorry, I gave the answer. Ashwant, read, please.
The
number.
The numbers
That comes just before 876. Children, you have to read all this by yourself. At least if you're in class, ma'am can teach you. Okay. Now tell me the number before 876.
8.
Yes. What is it? 800.
75.
Very good. Not 75, 75. Now next person is Ritik. Ritik Pranav, you're missing for a long time. Ritik, tell me the next question, please. The place value of
6 in 64. 655. 4 is 60.
No.
600.
Ma'am,
600.
what is the page number?
Who's this child? Please tell me the name.
I'm Shri. Ma'am, which is the page?
Who? Please tell loud your name.
Ma'am, I'm Shri Mugilan, ma'am. What is the page number?
Why did you come late, Sri Mukilan, and disturbing everybody? I told you 66, 67. I will be asking you the answer. Please don't do it again. Okay. Now, John Matthew, tell me the expanded form of 415 is. The expanded form of 400. Please turn off your. Excuse me. Only John must turn on his mic. The expanded form of 415 is. John, hurry up.
Ma'am, 66.
John, hurry up, John.
வெளியே போனேன்
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. The whole family is talking.
Ma'am, what did you say, ma'am?
John, please take out your textbook, John 66, and look at the screen and read. John, I'm going to tell ma'am about you because what a lot of disturbance. Now tell me the third one. The expanded form of 415 is. John is not telling, you're not going to get. Please tell fast. Expanded form. John, did you do this in your textbook? Let me see now. John, show me your textbook, please. Page number 66. Every day I was telling you. 66, page number 10. Did you do it? Yes or no? Say fast. I have to ask other children. Did
No,
you do
ma'am.
that? No, I know that, John. Okay, I'm going to the next. You won't get marked. Kevin, please tell me the answer. Please tell me the answer. Expanded form of. Just see the other children and just see how they are answering.
400 plus 10 plus 5.
Very good. Those who have not done, I'm minusing mark. I won't give you mark. Now, next one.
Ma'am,
By Monday, all must complete the work. I gave this last Monday. Now, the next one. Kushagra, please. Kushagra,
Yes, ma'am.
I will ask you the question. 609 in numbers is written as. Now tell me the number 609. 6.
100.
How? Tell me each number. 6. After that what?
100.
Kushagra, please listen, Kushagra. 609 in number. Now look at the screen. Is it right or not?
Right, ma'am.
Then why don't you say 609? Parents, you must not help the children when they are answering. Not now, I'm not telling you. Everybody, that's why these children are not telling any answer when we ask any mental math sum or oral questions. And children are not doing any work at home. After that, you don't complain that children did not do. I am marking here, and those are telling the answer, I am giving mark. And I will ask everybody to show the textbook exercise. Now, next one. Kushagra finished telling. Next one. Logesh, please come on the screen. Logesh. He is getting all there. Mithilesh. Naren. Nobody is there. Now, Prajan, please come, Prajan. The smallest.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 3-digit number formed by. You don't worry about all the written work. Smallest 3-digit number. And you must not start with 0. Actually, from small, it's coming 0 to 3. But you Write the next smallest number first. Tell me the number. Smallest 3 digits.
203, ma'am.
Very good, present. You are getting 10 marks for it. Sachin, please tell me the next one. You just add 1 to 7. 79 plus 10.
79 plus 10 is 89.
Very good. Have you done all the sums, all the fill in the blanks, Sachin?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Next one. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. Okay. Please tell me the first number. Who's the next person? Sanjeevan. Sanjeevan, please tell me the first number. Sanjeevan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the smallest number first. Hurry up. 57577. 500.
585, ma'am.
Very good. Second number.
Please call me.
Who's this child shouting? Sanjeevan. Only Sanjeevan is. Second one.
Ma'am, 575.
Very good. I'm writing because you are telling me the answer. Third one.
755.
Very good. Next one.
757.
Yeah. Next.
775.
Very good, Sanjeevan. Now, next child is Sanjit. Sanjit, these children are done. Please do. Child screaming. Excuse me, who's this child screaming from there? Sanjay, no, Sanjay. You finished telling me some other day. You don't say I didn't call. Everybody must get chance. So those who didn't get chance the other day, I'm calling today. Okay, any maths work, I called your thing and I finished putting mark. Sanjay, please don't disturb in between. I know I'm just keeping the register and calling. Don't scream, okay? Now next child.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma. I finished putting for you mark for oral because I asked you questions long back. Now, Sanjit. Sanjit, please come, Sanjit. Tell me the numbers in descending order.
99, ma'am.
Not 99, that is 999. Okay. Second biggest number.
990, ma'am.
Very good. Have you done this in your textbook?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, that's what you are reading it. Very good, children. Those who have done, you will get full mark. Now, next number.
909, ma'am.
Very good. Next.
900, ma'am.
Very good. Last one. I'm sorry, 909. I didn't write. 1 minute. Ma'am is very bad. Ma'am did not write. Okay, last number, please.
899, ma'am.
Good. No need to say ma'am for all. Okay. Very good. Now we are
Okay, ma'am.
going to the next one. We are going to the next one. Those who haven't done, really, children, I'm angry with you because you all are not doing anything. You won't get mark. Anyway, let me see for the special class time. Next one, we are going to subtract. I want Sri Mukilan, please come on the screen. Come on the line fast, Sri Mukilan. 59 minus 47. Start doing the sum. I have to do fast, Sri Mukilan. Where is this boy? Sri Mukilan, come. Okay, I'll go to the next child. Tridep.
Sri ma'am.
Ma'am, it's Ma'am, I'm Sri Mugilan.
Sri Mukilan, when I call you, you must come at once, Sri Mukilan. Okay, Tridep, wait. And others, please don't talk.
Did not work,
He can
ma'am.
do by himself. Now,
My phone did not work.
Sri Mugilan, please don't talk when ma'am is talking. Tridip, I will call you next, Tridip. Sri Mugilan, please do the first sum. Please do the first sum, Sri Mugilan. No, it is very bad. Like every time somebody is asking.
59 minus 47.
Yeah, what is 9 minus 7?
9 minus 7 is 2.
Did you do that in your textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
Really? I will ask you to show to me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you do 3, Mukilan?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, now 5 minus 4.
5 minus 4 is 1, ma'am.
Okay, good. Children, you have to put a tick mark if it's right. Now, next child is. Next child, I don't want anybody to talk to me, please, when I'm in class. Next child is Tridip. Tridip, do the second sum. Subtraction.
Slowly.
Tridip, 72 minus 26. What happened, Tridip?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 72 minus 26. Start doing it.
2 is smaller than 6, so we'll borrow from 10's place.
Yeah.
2 will become 12 and 7 will become 6.
Okay.
12 minus 6 is equal to 6.
7.
6 minus 2 is equal to 2.
Finally, you have to have like this on your, in your textbook. In the circle, you have to put 12 and 6. Come on. Next one. Next one. Thank you, Tridip. Next one. Sai Vasavi. Sai Vasavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Last one, Sai Vasavi. Do it. Next one.
1 minus
3.
3 is equal to 2.
No, Sai Vasavi. 3 is bigger than 1. You have to borrow from 9. 1 will become 11. Come on now, do it. Sai Vasavi, why you didn't learn all this?
11,
Come on.
9 will become 8.
8. That I will write. Wait. Now 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3. Hurry up. After 3, you count till 11. Tell me the answer soon. Eight.
8.
Tell me now 9 will become 8 over there. What is 8 minus 6? 8 minus 6. Hurry up, Sai Vasavi.
2.
Yes, Sai Vasavi, you must be a little bit fast. Okay, children, check all the answers and put a tick mark. When I ask you to show the textbook exercise, you have to show 66, 67 pages. Now I'm going to the next one. We are not working out the sum, we are just checking the answers. Now see here, next child is, Jeff finished answering. Niral, do the first one, Niral.
3.
8 plus 3.
8 plus 3 is 11.
Yeah, 1 I will write down. 1 will go to the circle.
1 will go to 10.
Uh,
8, 1 and 7 will become 8. And 7, 8 and 1 will become 11 again.
Very good. Wait. So I'm putting 1. 1 is going up. Bring down that 1. Very good. Very good, Niral.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now Jane, please come. 3 children are absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Jane, please tell 7 plus 4 plus 2. Do it in your mind and tell me the answer. What is 7 plus 4?
7 plus 4.
4. Yeah.
7 9. for my finger. After 7, 6,
Yeah.
7,
1 minute.
6.
Jane, keep 7 in your mind, 4 on your fingers.
Yeah.
Who's this doing? Jane. Jane, keep 7
Yes.
in your mind and 4 on your fingers. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
After 7, you count 4. 8, 9,
8, 9, 10, 11.
Plus 2. After 11, count again 2. After 11, 12,
12,
13.
13.
3 should be down, 1 should be up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll ask you. 1 minute. Now, what is 6 plus 1?
6 plus 1. Okay. We since we
7.
cannot do
No. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus
Okay.
5 is,
I'll put the script for you in the thing.
excuse me,
okay.
somebody, 1 minute. I will tell please because already time, don't confuse. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12
Okay.
plus 1. No, 1 minute. Then you can go back and do later because all are listening. 1 minute. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. You have to write only 3 down. Don't worry, you can do it later. And the 1 will go up. Bring down 1. Children, 1 minute. Because of all the confusion, I could do only this much. Some other day we'll do. Jane, I'll make you do next class. Jane, don't worry. She's feeling sad. We'll do it in the next class. Okay, Jane, it's already time. Get ready for EVS class. Children, please leave the class fast. Jane, I'll make you do it in next class. Okay, don't get worried. I will make you do it in the next class. That is in a maths class. Now, children, please close your books and leave the class and get ready for the next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.